You don't need expensive furniture to make your living room look warm, stylish, and unforgettable. Sometimes the smallest handmade crochet pieces are the first things people notice. And by the end of this video, you might find a few ideas that completely change the way your living room looks without spending a fortune. There is something special about walking into a living room that feels warm and welcoming. It is not always about buying expensive decorations or following the latest furniture trends. Many beautiful homes have one thing in common. They include handmade touches that make the space feel personal. Crochet is one of the easiest ways to add that feeling to your home. A simple ball of yarn can become a decoration that brings comfort, beauty, and character into any room. Many people think crochet decorations look old-fashioned, but that is no longer true. Modern crochet designs can look elegant, simple, and even luxurious. The right colors, patterns, and textures can make your living room feel fresh while keeping that cozy feeling everyone loves. Whether your home is modern, farmhouse, boho, rustic, or classic, there is always a crochet piece that fits perfectly. One of the easiest places to begin is with crochet cushion covers. Soft crochet cushions instantly make a sofa look more inviting. You can choose cream, white, beige, gray, or soft brown for a calm look, or brighter colors if you want your room to stand out. Mixing different crochet patterns on your cushions creates texture without making the room feel crowded. A crochet throw blanket is another beautiful addition. Fold it neatly over the arm of your couch or let it gently hang over the back. Even when nobody is using it, it makes the room feel warm and comfortable. During colder evenings, it becomes both decoration and something practical that the whole family can enjoy. Crochet table runners are another simple way to transform a living room. Whether you have a coffee table, console table, or side table, a handmade runner creates an elegant foundation for candles, books, flowers, or decorative bowls. It adds texture while allowing the rest of your decorations to shine. Crochet coasters may be small, but they make a surprisingly big difference. They protect your furniture while adding little handmade details throughout the room. Round coasters, flower-shaped coasters, leaf designs, and geometric patterns all bring their own style. Wall decorations are becoming more popular every year. Crochet wall hangings create beautiful texture that painted walls cannot provide. Large circles, mandala designs, leaves, feathers, and simple woven patterns can completely change an empty wall into something that catches every guest's attention. If you love plants, crochet plant hangers are another fantastic choice. Hanging plants already make a room feel alive, and adding handmade crochet holders makes them even more beautiful. Neutral-colored yarn works especially well because it keeps the attention on the greenery while adding soft texture. Crochet baskets are both useful and decorative. You can use them to store remote controls, magazines, blankets, children's toys, or even yarn for your next crochet project. Instead of clutter sitting around the room, everything has a beautiful handmade place. Small crochet flowers never go out of style. Arrange them inside a vase, place them on a shelf, or combine different flower colors into a bouquet that never needs watering. Unlike fresh flowers, crochet flowers stay beautiful all year long. Crochet pumpkins, hearts, stars, and seasonal decorations allow you to refresh your living room throughout the year. During autumn, pumpkins create warmth. During winter, snowflakes and stars add charm. Hearts work beautifully around Valentine's Day, while flowers brighten spring. Many people forget about lamps, but crochet lampshades can completely change the mood of a room. Soft light shining through delicate crochet patterns create a cozy atmosphere that feels peaceful during the evening. Even small crochet garlands can make a big difference. Hang them across a shelf, above a window, or along a fireplace if you have one. Simple circles, leaves, stars, or flowers create a cheerful look without overwhelming the room. Crochet poofs are another wonderful idea. They provide extra seating, work as footrests, and add texture to your living room. Large, chunky yarn creates sturdy poofs that look modern and stylish. Coffee tables often become the center of attention, so decorating them with crochet pieces works beautifully. A crochet centerpiece mat paired with candles, books, or ceramic vase creates a balanced display that feels both elegant and comfortable. Crochet lace curtains gently soften natural sunlight entering the room. Instead of blocking the light completely, they create a soft glow that makes the entire living space feel calm and inviting. Even your bookshelf deserves attention. Tiny crochet plants, miniature animals, little mushrooms, butterflies, or decorative hearts tucked between books make the shelves feel creative and unique. Crochet storage boxes combine beauty with function. They help organize small items while matching the handmade style throughout the room. Matching colors create a clean, coordinated look. If you enjoy decorating with candles, crochet candle holders can safely surround glass jars to add texture without taking attention away from the candlelight. The result feels warm and relaxing during quiet evenings. Crochet plate mats are not only for dining rooms, they can also be placed under flower pots, decorative trays, clocks, or sculptures on side tables to create visual layers. Another beautiful idea is crochet dreamcatcher-inspired wall decorations. Combining crochet circles with hanging tassels create movement and softness on large empty walls. Crochet mirror frames instantly upgrade ordinary mirrors. A simple round mirror becomes a statement piece when surrounded by carefully stitched crochet details. For homes with open shelves, crochet shelf liners create an elegant background for books, candles, and family photos. They are subtle, but they make everything displayed on top look even better. Crochet leaf decorations are another growing trend. Whether attached to branches inside a vase or arranged into wall art, they bring a touch of nature indoors without needing any maintenance. One secret many decorators use is repeating the same colors throughout the room. If your crochet blanket is cream-colored, matching cream coasters, baskets, and cushion covers help create a balanced and professional look. Texture is just as important as color. Combining chunky crochet pieces with finer lace designs creates contrast that makes your decorations more interesting. Too much of one texture can make a room feel flat, but mixing different stitches keeps everything visually exciting. If your living room is small, choose fewer decorations, but make each one count. A beautiful crochet throw, 2 matching cushions, and a handmade basket may look better than filling every surface with decorations. Large living rooms can handle bigger statement pieces. Oversized crochet blankets, giant floor baskets, or large wall hangings help fill empty spaces while keeping the room cozy. Lighting also changes how crochet looks. Natural daylight highlights stitch details, while warm evening lighting makes soft yarn appear even richer and more inviting. Another great tip